So then guys, I don't know about you, but I get a lot of packages coming my way for doing sponsors and things like this, and I also just get general packages always coming to my house, and quite a lot of the time I do actually miss when they're actually coming and I'm out and about, and I actually get one of those horrible notifications to say I've got to go to the depot and actually pick up the package. The great news is EZViz here actually has a fantastic solution, and with the brand new EP3x Pro like we have here, this doorbell actually has two cameras inside of it, allowing you to view, say, the person ringing the doorbell, and also another dedicated camera to see if someone's left a package, say, on your front door. And today we're going to explore more details about this dual camera doorbell and how brilliant it is, and also how easy it is to set up. So as you can see here, the unboxing process was quite simple. It came with everything inside of it. We've got the actual doorbell, we've also got a solar panel, lots of instructions and bits and pieces, and we've also got one of these sort of doorbell wedges thing to angle the doorbell if we want to do that too. The doorbell design is really sort of futuristic, and I actually really like it. It's nice and smart actually, and to be honest, having dual cameras here is really great. We actually have here a 2K camera here as your main kind of camera, and we also have a 1080p camera down the bottom to look at your packages. And I really, like I said, love the design of this doorbell, and there's lots of options what you can do with this. Like I said already, there's a solar panel that you can actually attach to this doorbell to actually give it unlimited power all of the time. And also, if you actually have a sort of built-in sort of doorbell at the moment that's getting its own power supply, you can also connect this up to this power supply here too, instead of using, say, solar panel if you want to do it that way. And the great news is there's also a built-in battery too. What is massive, it's 5,200 milliamps inside of this. And just to put that into perspective for you, that's even bigger than, say, the battery inside an iPhone 15 Pro Max, or say even a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So it's a really long battery life that you will get. That's if you didn't even use the solar panel or dedicated power inside of it. If you did want to charge up this doorbell, it's really easy to do so. There is a USB-C port on the side to do that. So let's move over then to the installation of this doorbell. Well, there's lots of options what you can do here. You can either use sticky pads, or you can actually drill it onto, say, a brick wall or something like this. And you actually have, say, the drilling points here and the kind of little template to help you with that. I'm going to stick my doorbell on with the sticky sort of tabs, and the same with the solar panel. That's how I'm actually going to power this actual doorbell. And the actual process of the installation was really simple. It was really easy to follow the instructions to get it mounted onto the wall, the actual sort of template frame here, and then after that it was really easy also to set up the actual solar panel onto the back, also mount this onto my door frame here as you can see, and then after that it was really easy inside of the app to actually add this doorbell and get up and get ready with everything, and then I was ready to go. Obviously what you can do is you can view both cameras, so you can actually view the main camera, and then obviously you can view the package camera. What is really cool with this doorbell, I absolutely love this feature. So as you can see, the image is super clear here in what the doorbell provides. You can also see my feet here for packages and things like that. So really, yeah, it's great footage what we're getting from this doorbell. I absolutely love too. And obviously what you can do is you can zoom in and zoom out if you want to do that, and you get a really clear picture from this doorbell. There's options also on this doorbell. For example, you can actually have the doorbell actually call you. So not just get a notification that somebody is at the door, you can actually set that up that it actually will ring you instead, and you have to answer the call. But obviously if you don't want this, you can actually switch this off too. You can set up this doorbell to be used like a security camera if you want that on your front door, and you can actually have intelligent detection, so when a human shape has been detected, then obviously it can send you a notification that somebody is near your door, and that is really cool to have this. And also one of my favourite notifications is the tamper notification, and this is quite unique I think. So if somebody is trying to, I don't know, steal your doorbell to maybe break into your house and they don't want to be seen, you will also be alerted that somebody is fiddling around with your doorbell, and you can get notified of that, so you know that somebody is fiddling around. So yeah, I think that's a really cool feature to actually have here. There's obviously other bits and pieces like light settings, and also where you actually want your storage to be. And speaking of which, the actual doorbell has 32 gigabytes of storage built into it. But there's also many sort of subscription plans out there where you can pay monthly or yearly, and there's some good free trials in there too. And in case you wanted to know, there's also nighttime detection sort of modes too, with infrared on both of the actual cameras. So you can actually play around with those settings and how you want that. And also you can actually change obviously how far the actual detection field goes in detecting somebody walking in front of your doorbell, what is also really useful. This app is really, really great. I do actually love all of the settings and everything, and I have had a good little play around with it. It's also fully compatible with the likes of, say, your Amazon Echo, Alexas, and also Google and all of that good stuff too. So that's really, really useful. And obviously the two-way communication is fantastic on this actual doorbell. And in fact, you can actually change your voice if you want to a clown's voice, or even have uncle voice, what gives you like a deep sort of mystery kind of voice, what is pretty cool too. And if you want to check out this EP3x Pro from EZViz here, then definitely check out all the details that are in the description of this video. Because like I said, this is probably one of the best kind of smart kind of devices I've seen for a doorbell. And yeah, I absolutely love it. And definitely this will be staying along now in my house now to detect all those packages coming in and not missing out on anything like that. But what are your thoughts on this? Do you like smart doorbells, and do you have one yourself? And is this something that you would consider yourself getting? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And also guys, if you want to hear the latest on technology news, reviews and comparisons like we've done today, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell too. Until next time guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye bye.